Gold H4 time frame. Last week you have seen price breakout this strong trend line. After breakout, now retest. So closing is still below trend line, and from this high, 61% retracement complete. So 2340 is your big static resistance level on H4 time frame. You can see from this high, price constantly making lower low with lower high, and now this new level is your big static resistance level. So as long as price trading below this level, we are bearish on gold. And if it goes down more, then next target will be retest of 2286. It can make new lower low, but bearish below 2340. So H4 time frame give you clear chart pattern, retest of trend line after breakout, and static resistance 2340. So until this level does not break out, bulls have to wait. And there is one more possible chart pattern, head and shoulder. Right now this can be your right shoulder, and this is your neckline near 2290 level. Since price is bearish below 2340 level, in case if it break out to upside, that's mean for bullish setup. If you see daily chart, then all the week last month I was saying sideways range on daily chart, but this time I am saying your triangle chart pattern. Your three retest of both upper and lower trend line complete, now only breakout. So bullish above this yellow trend line and bearish below this yellow trend line. So until this price does not break out, it is sideways range, and for bulls this is your big dynamic support level, and breakout of this trend line is your only confirmation. If breakout come on retest, you can buy, but until this trend line does not break out, gold is bearish. And now you have clear chart pattern on daily time frame triangle. So you have clear chart pattern on daily chart and clear static resistance on H4 chart. Until it does not break out on H4 or daily time frame, bulls only wait and watch. If you see weekly chart, then this area 2286 is your big static horizontal support level. Weekly time frame is bullish above this level, and you can see three candlestick on weekly chart. All of them are showing rejection on this area. They tried but failed each time to break out this level. So weekly is bullish as long as price trading above 2286, and below this time frame daily and H4 you have clear technical setup. So 3 monthly candlestick and nobody buying gold at 2400. You have 3 month and clear rejection above this psychological level. Closing of this monthly candlestick, that's mean 2326, is your new static horizontal resistance for scalper. Same like what I said in beginning of last month, 2286. That is your big static support for scalper. If price goes down more this month, then 2230 is your next big static horizontal support level. These levels are from monthly time frame, and you can trade carefully on this level as a scalper on H1 time frame. This month, your new weekly candlestick, new monthly candlestick, and new quarterly candlestick. So you can say your second half of the year and third quarter of this year begin. And in second half of this year, there is only one news and only important thing is US election. So last week after Trump-Biden debate, all news were replaced by Biden. So Biden was shown as a cartoon in that speech. So since that speech, everyone forget everything and all of them are talking one thing, election this year. So all the seller will try selling above 23-26 as a scalper this area, and they will target below 2286, and buyers will wait for buying near 2230. So these two levels are your big static horizontal support and resistance this month. Before election this year, you can see there is panic on US debt spending. Hedge fund Will Ackman, economist Neil, then IMF. All of them were giving warning last week. Before July month begin, China central bank have stopped buying and their public have also stopped buying gold because of high price. So producer either stopped producing jewelry or they have decreased production. This is your number one consumer market in this world. And your BRICS news, there is a big article in Bloomberg and PM Modi will meet Putin next week. And your Vogue virus have reached Fed. And reason behind BRICS is replacing dollar with gold before Trump's become president again. Economists are predicting. So news company are now explaining what Trump did in his first term. So people who traded gold all of this time, they need no explanation why Trump's second term is bullish for gold. But I think this is your buy the rumor, sell the news. Nobody explained you in 2016 or 17 that entire Trump year will be bullish for gold. But now news company are explaining before Trump become president once again. While last week everyone was talking about Trump-Biden debate, but everyone forget one thing. By the time these two people decide who will be next president, and before Trump do anything in 2025 as a president, what Fed will do during this time? Because nobody talking about during this time, Fed will have complete freedom to do what they want to do since March 2020, the recession. Fed every time stopped recession 2018, March 2020, then 2022, then 2023 just to save election. If Fed does not do this thing this year 2024 and 2025, then maybe this is the reason bulls are not buying gold at 2400. So every week there is a bullish forecast for gold from at least one bank. Now Bank of America is saying 3000 gold price in next 12 to 18 months. So after breakout, if sideways correction done on daily chart, maybe they are expecting upside breakout. And Jim Cramer is now bearish on gold last week. He is saying it is too early to buy gold for recession. He have said gold first came down before going up in recession. That means he is expecting 23 psychological level breakout in aggressive way. So for trader, all the news this week: July 1st PMI, July 2 Fed speech and jolts, and more big news on July 3rd, your mini NFP ADP, your ISM service PMI, and Fed FOMC minute PDF. So I have already done a detailed video about the June FOMC speech. Now we will get minute PDF. July 4 is US holiday, everyone know. Then July 5 you have NFP biggest news on Friday. So because of holiday, either you see big action on FOMC minute PDF day or on Friday. But these 2 days, July 3 and 5, you will see big action because of big news. And before that, Fed speech this week. So all the big news this week will decide gold will break out this triangle chart pattern or not. But this dynamic trend line is your last big support level for gold bulls. If it break out, then it will not stop before 2250. So I have explained all the key support and resistance on monthly time frame, big static support on weekly time frame, a chart pattern on daily time frame, and a trend line on H4 time frame. And all the big news, Fed speech, their FOMC minute PDF, and NFP. All of these things this week will decide where gold will go, either 2400 or 2200.